Here is a wonderful 2019 Porsche Cayenne. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enter the world of this exceptionally built Cayenne and connect with your passion for driving. This spacious SUV offers the power, supple agility, and intuitive feel of a sports car, as well as the all-weather capability and adventurous spirit of an intrepid off-road expert. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, power liftgate, power passenger seat, fog lamps, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, power driver's seat, tire pressure monitoring system. Feel the joy of the drive in this exhilarating Cayenne. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.